In this video, I'll guide you through how to add emoji in Basecamp. Adding emojis can make your communication more engaging and fun, enhancing the productivity and morale of your team. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just looking to spice up your messages, this guide will help you master the art of emoji communication in no time. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Basecamp's website. Open your preferred browser and type in basecamp.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, fantastic. You should see your dashboard where all your projects and tasks are organized. Now, let's move on to the next step. At the bottom right of your screen, you'll find an option labeled New for You. This is where you can access all your notifications and updates. Click on this option, and it will open up a menu that contains various features and tools available to you. After clicking on New for You, you'll want to locate and select the Chat option. This is where a lot of team communication happens, and it's a perfect place to add a bit of personality with emojis. Clicking on Chat will open up the chat interface, where you can see ongoing conversations or start a new one. Once you're in the chat section, look for the Add Emoji button. This is usually represented by a small smiley face icon or a similar symbol. Clicking this button will open up a selection of emojis you can choose from. There's usually a wide variety of emojis available, so feel free to browse through them and find the ones that best express your message or mood. After you've chosen the perfect emoji, simply click on it. This action will add the emoji to your chat input box, ready to be sent along with your message. If you want to add more than one emoji, just repeat the selection process until you're satisfied with your message. Finally, to send your message with the newly added emojis, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will send your message to the chat, complete with all the expressive emojis you've chosen. It's a simple yet effective way to add a personal touch to your messages and convey emotions that text alone might not capture. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add emojis in Basecamp, making your communication not only more colorful but also more engaging. By using emojis, you can enhance the way you interact with your team, making conversations more lively and enjoyable. Remember, while emojis are fun, it's always a good idea to use them appropriately based on the context and the audience you're communicating with. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Happy emojiing!